in the heart of San Antonio. This is Riverwalk. It is about what 10 o'clock in the morning? Yeah, 10 o'clock in the morning. We're doing a stroll to this place called Hemisphere. It's kind of like a mall area. So we're taking a walk. It is about a 20-minute walk. I think on Google Maps that's what it says. Hemisphere, which is a park. I'm sorry, a park. There you go. It's in the direction of the mall. Yeah, we're gonna head over there. I don't know, we're gonna have enough strength to walk back because it's like a 20-minute walk. So we may have to Uber back afterwards. I don't know how. We might. Yes, we can take a water taxi back. But the only problem is the water taxi. It's kind of unpredictable. You try to catch it because it only comes like once every hour. And so depending on when you catch it, I don't know. It's one of those things where you see it, you just gotta jump on it. But I'm talking about like waiting for an hour for a water taxi. Come on, guys, this is like 2019 here. You could just do an Uber for a water taxi, right? Hey, that's my idea, by the way. I'm gonna patent that. So yeah, anyway, we're walking through Riverwalk right now. If you come to San Antonio, you've got to visit the Riverwalk. It's a little scary when you're by yourself, but that's okay. Okay, wait, guys. Good job. Looks like they bought it. Okay. As you can see, they're not doing what you're supposed to be doing. A little tired, so we're gonna try to see if we can grab a scooter from right here. We keep seeing these things around San Antonio. People are riding it like crazy, so we're gonna see if we can try to grab one of those.
And let's see if we can ride it.
Yeah, I wonder if we can put two people on there. This is a little scanner here. We can So if it doesn't scan, you do K49R. You just enter the number that's on top of the scanner. Done. It's a 4-digit code. So it's telling me that in San Antonio, it's $1 to start, and then it's 30 cents for every minute. And when things like that, that means it's good to go. My app say I'm good to go. Are you ready to go, Titai?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Do I just stand up like this?
Pop this down. Boom. We're gonna figure out if this Razor scooter is strong enough for the 3 of us. Remember, we're small Asian people, so your size may vary. All ready?
Yeah.
Man, I can't turn this thing. All right, you ready? All right. We're gonna go on here. Okay, so we just got done with the scooters and the bikes and everything. We're gonna park it here. We're gonna go over to the river center over there. What do you guys think? Was that better than walking here? Video that I'm doing, you know that? Very rough. Direction keeps changing, directors keeps changing, scripts keeps rewritten. You know? How am I gonna be a successful YouTubers, you know? Here you go, little tour guide. $1 to start is a lie. Let's go.